Here I have a 2003 Hummer H2 by popular request. I'm at Brandon Reeves Auto World in Monroe, North Carolina. It's going to be a full in-depth tour of the Hummer. Start it up, show the engine. Pretty much all the little details that you'd like to see about it. So, without further ado, we'll go ahead and start it up. My dad actually used to have one of these, 2003, just like this one. So it brings back fond memories. It's one of the vehicles I learned how to drive on when I first got my license. $84,126 miles. It's got a 6-liter Vortec V8 engine. It's have full power seats and leather. Obviously, you could probably tell that already. Power lumbar. Regardless of what a lot of people think and of their opinions of these vehicles, I love them. I mean, it is based off of the Chevrolet Tahoe platform. It's just straight down to business, to the point. It's a very unique interior. Plus, awesome gear shifter. I'm going to turn on the headlights, hazards, automatic window. Squeak is just a little fan belt. Oh man. It's really a two-hand job, but only got one. Very cool. See if we can't lower it back down this way. Perfect. Seats are very comfortable too. Full Bose stereo.
Lean back down beside me, girl, just like I know you want to. Down, down, down. Baby, are you down, down, down?
Very nice stereo. Dual zone climate control. Change zones. OnStar, traction control, tow mode, 4-wheel drive system. And you do have all your radio controls, hands-free phone on the steering wheel, driver information center. So I guess we'll go ahead and cut it off. One thing that I failed to mention also, when the seat's already back, put the key in, the seat automatically slides forward to your memory position. Garage opener. Sunroof. Memory seats for 2 people, heated seats. Very roomy too. It's only got one single seat in the rear. Some of them you could put the spare tire in the back, but this one has it on the undercarriage. Despite how it may look, it's not a bad seat either. I've sat back in those plenty of times, and granted I was a lot younger, but it still wasn't that bad. full power for the passenger as well. Well, guess that'll wrap it up for this tour of the Hummer. Hope everybody enjoyed. Subscribe today for plenty more to come.